Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to show you some new features found in Mozilla Firefox version 3. Some of these new features include tagging your favorites, quickly searching through your favorites, making a keyword to search so you can quickly use that search engine. Okay, the first thing I'm going to show you is the new keyword to a search. So let's say I wanted a keyword for Yahoo search. All you do is right click on the search box and come down here to add a keyword for this search and give it a name that really doesn't matter, and then you give it, the keyword is what matters. I'm just going to give it a YA for a keyword and click add. So now if you want to search Yahoo for let's say YouTube, just type YouTube and hit enter and it will search Yahoo for YouTube. I already added one for Google, and that's for me is just G. And if I want to search Google for YouTube, then all I have to do is type in G and then YouTube, and then you get a Google search for YouTube. Another feature is tagging your favorites. This star that appears in your URL box, if you click it once, it'll add it to your favorites. Click it again and it'll bring up this little box. And let's say I wanted to add the tag, search for YouTube. Damn. Search for YouTube and Google search. Then you just separate your tags with a comma. If you already got tags, then you just click the arrow next to the tag box and you have checked boxes to add to so you can add previously used tags into the box. Done. I've already added a tag for YouTube computer video. Come down, then it's at the top. The YouTube search is one right below that one. Another feature found is the ability to search for add-ons without having to go to their add-on web page. So if I wanted to search for web develop, oops, I spelled that wrong, I think. You get iBistro OPAC and inspect context, and Firebug. This will pull up even if it's not compatible with your version of Firefox. But if it's not compatible, it will tell you before you install it. Another feature I like is this information bar, which allows you to add special permissions for the one site, find out what feeds are in it, are available from the site, what media, general information. If you go to a secure site, like, once again I'm going to use my bank, Chase, hit forgot password, you'll see it turns blue and it'll get you who you are connected to. Some sites it even has who it's run by, And you can even click on more information. How many times have you visited? And still, same thing. Media, permissions. If they have an RSS feed, it'll tell you what the URLs are for them. Another feature is your ability to search through your history. So let's say I wanted to watch a YouTube video that I watched before, from barely political. You start typing in barely, and you'll see up here Barely Political's videos right here, and Barely Political's channels is right at the bottom. Click on that, and you let's shut this off, and you get to their channel.